The hydronics connection plate for the Combi boiler has 5 connections. Starting from the left, first is your heating supply 1-inch NPT connection. Second is your domestic hot water 3/4 inch NPT connection. Third, and in the middle, is your gas 3/4 inch NPT connection. Fourth, your cold water 3/4 inch NPT connection. And the fifth is your heating return 1-inch NPT connection. To help facilitate piping, all hydronic connections can easily be separated from the connection plate by removing the pipe clip. The next step is to make your gas line connection. The gas line connects to the center pipe on the hydronics connection plate. Please note that there must be a minimum of 10 feet of 3/4 inch black iron pipe or 10 feet of 1-inch CSST between the appliance and the regulator. This ensures that the appliance will see no more than a 1-inch pressure drop between a gas regulator and the appliance when the gas valve opens. This applies to both propane and natural gas. The installation of service valves in the supply and return connection is recommended. These valves are important for proper system commissioning and future service calls. The domestic cold water in and hot water out are 3/4 inch male connections. The flat plate heat exchanger located inside the Combi boiler may require descaling down the road, so we recommend installing service valves on the hot and cold side of the boiler. A temperature and pressure relief valve is included with the service valve kit. Plumb this valve so that it is within 6 inches of a floor drain or per the requirements of your local code. The next step is mounting the unit to the wall. First, remove the cover by undoing the screws at the base of the cover. Next, lift the strap and remove the cover towards the front. Slide the fiber washers onto the hydronic connection plate. Note that spare fiber washers are provided. Next, hang the appliance on the mounting bracket and then tighten the pipe connector union nuts. The next step is to install your condensate and pressure relief valve line. A 1/4 inch air gap is required for a condensate drain. Route the lines to a condensate neutralizer or into a pump that discharges into a suitable drain. Please observe all applicable local codes. The pressure relief valve comes factory installed with a CGA approved gray composite discharge hose. This must be piped to a suitable location where it can drain safely if it discharges. We have it piped to a floor drain.